Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 23rd July. And first of all, national news. Mamata Banerjee launched new program allotted rupees 10 lakh a booth. Saga of Tejas, the fighter jet that will replace the mighty MiG-21. Akasa Air to see over 200 Boeing deliveries over the next years. Bengaluru's yellow line of Namma Metro to launch soon. And 8 Bangladeshi nationals detained in Assam's Bongaigaon. The Jagdeep Dhankar government rift. Exclusive details on shock exit. Tirupati Temple's board drew up plans to expand global footprint. Free trade agreement investment treaty on agenda for PM Modi's Maldives July 25 visit. Now international news. India made big jump in Henley Passport Index visa-free entry to 59 countries now. US to pull out of UNESCO, setting anti-Israel bias 2 years after rejoining. Not in national interest. US leave UN cultural body UNESCO. Humans beat ChatGPT and OpenAI at Top Math Olympiad. Now sports news. Grandmasters Arjun Erigesi Vidit Gujarati to headline Chennai Grandmasters. Love to play against India in first game of T20 World Cup next year. Italy captain Joe Birds. Harmanpreet Kaur smashed an 82 ball century in third India vs England ODI. Now news related to business. Paytm post profit for quarter 1 financial year 26, first quarterly profit since September 2024. Lack of empathy in customer service driving complaints, RBI DG Swaminathan. India needs $2.4 trillion to build climate resilient infra by 2050, World Bank. And that's all in news. Thank you.